Naga Manu aro North East Myanmar adjoining state of Manipur na hoili Alakhan to Indo-Myanmar border area ti free movement regime FMR central government propose kuri thaka opor against kuri thaka general retired Nikisumi issue opor koi dia sabtu Naga Manu khan tu khara kurgena future of free movement regime support kuribole lake koi dia ase Nikisumi laga statement ti free movement regime laga issue tu notun kisa na hugina SS Kaplon laga tambra ahi jaisha aro itubar naga manukhan alarm kure ase hulipi doubt na kurubole koi dia ase kili naga manukhan tu sovereign aro both side ti Myanmar India khanbra independence napa aketi free bra thaki ajaisha koi dia ase Assam Rifle Khan laga dangor success operation witness kuri thaka sabti National Highway NH 29 Kohimati Assam Rifle Khan bra 120 ton of illegal Ericanat Supari value of 14.32 crore of rupees laga dam seize kurloise koina official khobor palu ase Assam Rifle Khan laga sources ti operation to intelligent input par sabti illegal smuggling of Ericanat Manipur State bra Nagaland State ani thakya troops of Assam Rifle Khan NH 29 Jakhama Osote surprise check-in kurgina charta pickup gari aro pasta truck gari without necessary permit aro documents nathakya issue ti seize kurdishe ko ase success operation ti thorula individual aro Ericanat gari milaigina custom department khan ki hinover kuridisha aro region ke law and order hesab security forces khan tu illegal activity kam khan sob rukhai lobo koi dia ase Rahul Gandhi laga yatra journey ti aji ekta breaking khobor pai thakya sabti West Bengal Malda district ti Gandhi laga gari opor attack kurgina patur khan pi gari te mara mari kuri dishe koigina state party chief Ranjan Chaudhary claim kuri ase Congress leader laga statement ti crowd bishi jama hoja issue ti Rahul Gandhi berai thakya gari glass phangai dishe ulipi hatsa ti kunpi jokhum pa nai aro ito hatsa hoja issue ti Congress leaders khan tu accept na kurbo koi dia ase aro hatsa te police khan pi iman serious loi dia nai ko ase Gandhi laga yatra journey aji West Bengal Malda district cover kurlusha aro February 1st tarikh Murshidabad visit kurlugina West Bengal state ti yatra journey Gandhi to 523 km 6 district cover up kurlusha aro second phase ti Malda aro Murshidabad visit kurlobo koi dia ase next khobote Assam state of Nalbari district ti Mob Khan bra guruchor kuri thakya suspected ti charjon thorgena biya bra pitai disha aro hospitalized kuri disha koigena report dia ase police report ti victim khan tu osor bosti manu thakshe olipi local khan tu guruchor manu suspected ti thorgena gari cholai disha aro police khan charjon rescue kurlogena thakya macheti ekjon tu critical condition te mara mari kurgena thagi dishe ko ase aro ajikali Jharkhand state development story ja thakya sabti enforcement directorate ED Khanbra chief minister Hamant Sorin opor samon kurgena kali question kurbole thakya aji Jharkhand chief minister Hamant tu Ranchi police station ti enforcement directorate agency khan ki FIR file up kur dishe ko ase chief minister Hamant ED agency khan ke FIR file up kugina thakya reason tuli aji kali chief minister aro ED khan macheti conflict ja ase aro agency khan bra Hamant residence Delhi ti fishery aha karni case file up kur dishe kugina report dia ase Nagaland State Transport NST khan tu state pitorti chopper service weekly operational schedule ajibra surkugina July jabole fair aro weekly service NST general manager Shikaho P Yaptho revise kuri dishe NST general manager Shikaho statement ti chopper service karni 48 hours requesting chartering karni GM office submit kuribole koi dia ase aro in case of medical evacuation fit to fly certificate of patient duly certified registered medical laga mandatory thakibo koigena release kuri dia ase aro passengers khan laga capacity lo toili weight of passenger oporte thakibo aro saman khan tu 5 kg maximum thakibo koi dia ase